Hi there, students. To agree. Okay, to agree, to have the same opinion, to approve something. But be careful of the prepositions that you use with agree. So, I agree to do this. Or, I agree to doing this. Both are possible. So you can have agree plus an infinitive, or to agree to something. Notice you agree with someone. You agree with a person. I agree with you. I reached an agreement with you. I agree to your doing this tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. To agree on something, to agree on conditions. So to have the same opinion, to concord. We both agree on the fact that this is unreasonable. Yeah. You agree to terms and conditions. Do you agree to the terms of this contract? You agree to abiding by the terms of this contract by putting your signature at the bottom. If you agree to do it, nod your head. You could agree by nodding your head. So, to agree with somebody, to agree on something, you have the same opinion. I agree on this. To agree to do something, or to agree to doing something, to be ready to do it, to accept that you are going to do it. And then I guess to agree by doing something, he agreed by nodding his head. Okay, also a very important thing with this verb to agree, you cannot say I am agree. This is a very common mistake. I am agree. No, I agree, I don't agree. You can't say I am agree, I am not agree. So don't do this. I am in agreement with you. I am not in agreement with you. Okay, so to agree, to harmonize in opinion, we agree on this. We agree on doing this tomorrow. So we have concorded that we are going to take this action tomorrow. To be in unison, to be united about what you're going to do. To agree to an offer, to exceed. Yeah, to agree to an opinion. Okay, I will do this. I promise to do this. And then I guess also this food didn't agree with me. Yeah, it made my stomach bad. It made me feel rather ill. Or to agree in grammar, you need to make sure that he are. No, that doesn't agree. He is. So you need these to agree. Okay? So to agree with somebody, to agree on something, to agree to something. Okay? Notice as well, to agree is a verb of state. We don't normally say, I am agreeing with you. No, I agree with you or I don't agree with you. No halfway house between the two, okay? So I agree or I don't agree. And I think that's probably it. Oh, as to formality, agree is a completely neutral verb. So you can use it anywhere. 5 in formality. And as to origin, well, it comes from Latin. Ad gratum, agree. Yeah. So add to gratum until you are satisfied. Yeah, so we negotiated until we reached an agreement. Yeah, until we agreed on the terms. Yeah, till we agreed to what each of us had to do to comply with the contract. Yeah, we agreed on the terms and I agreed with him. So there you go, to agree. Try and get it right, and just think of your preposition use with this. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Agree. Agree to, agree with, agree on. In agreement with, but never I am agree.